Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous classes we discussed about all the topics of your algebra, like as we discussed about the polynomial first of all, and after that we discussed about the some important algebraic identities, like as a plus b whole square, a q plus bq, and a square minus b square, and we solved so many questions based on that topic. Okay, and then after we discuss about the factorizations, which is very important factor of your syllabus. Okay, and we discuss all the questions based on factors, based on each and every algebraic identities. Okay, then after, dear student, we discuss about the exponents of real numbers, and in that section we also take and solve very important question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. So dear students, first you revise all the topic which we discussed in previous classes, which is very important for your examination purpose, and do more and more practices of questions based on that topic. Okay, today we start the chapter linear equations in two variable, which is very important for you. Okay, now we discuss about, we revise the chapter linear equations in two variables, which is very important topic and chapter. Now let's see. Here's what is the linear equation. Just first of all we discuss about linear equation. Dear student, any equation is said to be linear if its degree will be 1, if its degree is 1. Okay, these students, any an equation of the form, let's see, first of all we discuss about the linear equation. An equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0, ax plus b is equal to 0 is what? Real is what? Linear equation. Here what? Here a b and here a and b are what? Any real number. Any real number. Okay. So an equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0 is known as linear equation, and here a and b are real numbers. Real numbers. Now this concept is clear. Now this one we discuss about linear means what? Why it is said to be linear? Because of it has degree 1. So any equation of degree 1 is known as linear. All that things is I think discussed in previous classes, and means once more one times now we revise that. Yes, an equation of the an equation of degree 1 is called linear. An equation of degree 2 is called what? Quadratic. An equation of degree 3 is called cubic equation, and an equation of degree 4 is known as biquadratic equation. Now in this chapter we just discuss about the linear equation. So we discuss, an equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0 because of the degree of here x is 1. What is the degree, dear students? The highest power of variable is known as degree. You know that very well. So here the highest power is x is what? 1. So it is the linear equation. Now it is clear. Now we discuss about the linear equation in two variable. Dear students, any linear equations is said to be linear equation in two variables if it contains two variables. Dear students, that equation contain only one variable as x. So now we can say that an equation of the form, now we can say that an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, or ax plus by is equal to c, or ax plus by is equal to c are called or is called what? linear equations in two variable. Linear equation into variables x and y. Dear student, why that equation is said to be linear equation into variables? Because of it is linear, because all its variable of degree 1. Two variables is in the sense it contains, that equation contains two variables x and y. Okay, and here a, b and c, here a, b and c are what? Real numbers. Okay, are what? Real numbers. So dear student, this is the concept of linear equations. Now all thing is clear of that topic. Okay, so we take some example of linear equation. Suppose we write an equation as x plus 2y is equal to 3 is known as the linear equation. If we write 3 by 2x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 12, this is also a linear equations in two variables. So this is the concept of linear equations in two variables. Now we take and solve some questions based on linear equations in two variables. Now let's see. Now we take and solve some question based on that. Write each of the following equations in the form. Your question is write each of the following equations in the form equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case, and c in each case. Okay, and first one is 3x plus 2y is equal to 2.5. Second one is x is equal to 2y. Third one is x upon 2 minus y upon 3 is equal to 5, and last part of this question is 2y minus 3 is equal to under root 2x. Okay, dear students, this is the question here. Let's see once more time. Here, write each of the following equations in the form of linear equation in two variable as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Okay, now look the solution of that type of question. Let's see. First of all, we take first part of this question and solve it. Dear student, in first question we have 3x plus 2y is equal to what? 2.5. Okay, so we have as 2 3x plus 2y plus 2.5 transfer that side, we get minus 2.5 is equal to 0. Take equation number 1. Now we so the equation 1 is the form of what? Okay, thus the and that equation is also write as 3x plus 2y plus minus 2.5 is equal to 0. Now we this equation take equation 1. Okay, thus the equation 1 is in the form of what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, hey, where a is what? A is the coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 3. A is 3. Okay. B is what? Coefficient of y. Here coefficient of y is 2. So the value of b is 2. And c is constant term. Here constant term is minus 2.5. So c is equal to minus 2.5. Okay. So in this way, dear friends, we convert each of the given equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and we find the value of a, b and c in that way. Okay, now we take and solve the second part of this question, and we reduce that equation in the form of ax plus by plus c, and also we find the value of a and b and c. Let's see. Now let's see, dear students. We take and solve the second part of this question, which is what? X is equal to 2y. First, this equation we can write as x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now we also that equation write as x plus minus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0. Now this equation is the form of what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Take equation 1. Now this is the general form of the equation. Now comparing 1 and 2. Now let's see, this equation can be written in the form of ax plus by plus c, where a is what? 1. We can write in this way also, 1 into x, and here minus 2 is the coefficient of y, and c is constant term is 0. So this is the answer. And now we comparing both the equations in this way, we get the value of a is what? 1. The value of b is what? Minus 2. And the value of c is what? 0. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now we take and solve the third part of this question. Let's see, dear students. First of all, given equation x upon 2. First of all, we take LCM and solve it. Simplify them. 3 2 is 6, 2 3 3x, 3 2 2y. So we get as 6 5 is 30. Now this equation we can also write as okay. Take equation 1. Dear friends, so let's look, dear friends, the equation 1. The equation 1 is of the form of the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The equation 1 is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So now we also find the value of a, b and c. Now let's see. Dear student, here the value of a is what? Coefficient of x is 3. the value of b means coefficient of y as -2, so here we put -2, and the value of c as the constant term, here constant term is -30, so here we put -30. So dear student, in this way we can convert all the equations, all the linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c, and also we find the value of a, b and c. Now dear friends, we take and solve the next question of next part of this question. Let's see. First of all, you write given equation. What is the given equation? Let's see. 2y minus 3 is equal to under root 2x. Now, first of all, we transfer all that value in that side, so we get minus root 2x. Here minus 2y transfer that side, so we get minus 2y. Okay, and minus 3 transfer that side also, so we get plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, let's see. We can write root 2x plus minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Take equation number 1. Now, so the equation number 1, thus the equation 1 is in the form of what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, here and here the value of a is coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x root 2, so the value of a is root 2. Okay, and here the value of b is the coefficient of y, so here coefficient of y is minus 2, so here b is equal to what? Minus 2. And c, the value of c is what? 3. This is our okay, dear students. So in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on linear equation in two variables. Now dear students, we take and solve a very basic question which is very important for your examination purpose based on linear equation in two variables. Let's see a question. Take a question. The cost of a notebook is a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in equation in two variable to represent this statement. Variables to represent to represent this statement. Okay, now let's see its solution. Here students, this is one of the most important question, okay, for your examination purpose. Let's see. Here your question is the cost of a notebook. Okay, dear students, the cost of a notebook is what? Twice the cost of a pen. So let the cost of a pen be x, let's see, and the cost of a notebook be y. Okay, or or let's see, let the cost of a notebook, okay, let the cost of a notebook be rupees x, and the cost of a pen be rupees y. Okay, now let us consider, dear student, the cost of a notebook be x, rupees x, and the cost of a pen be rupees y. Now according to statement, what I write, let's see. Here let's see the condition. The cost of a notebook means the cost of a notebook is x. X is equal to what? The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen, means twice means 2 times, 2 into y. So generally we can write x is equal to 2y. Now what I do, and write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. So we write this equation is that way also, x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variables which represent the given statement, Okay, so dear students, in this way we can represent solve all the statement of any conditions in that way. Okay, now dear student, you can complete your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now dear student, we discuss about the next topic of that chapter, which is what? Solution of a linear equation. Let's see. Let's see, dear students, solution of a linear equation. The next topic is solution of a linear equation. Let's see, dear students, now we discuss about the solution of a linear equation. What is the concept of that? Let's see. Let's discuss that topic. Suppose, dear student, let ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, let ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 be any linear equation in two variables x and y. Okay, it is clear? Very well. Dear students, we take as let ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 be any linear equation in two variables x and y. Okay, then the any pair of values, then any pair of values x and y, then any pair of values x and y which satisfies the given equation, which satisfies the given equation, which satisfy the given equation is called its solution, is called its solution. Okay, dear students. So let us check once more time, dear students. Let ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 be any linear equation, okay, in two variables, be any linear equation in two variables, then any pair of values of x and y which satisfy the given equation is known as its solution. Means what? If we put the value of x and y in that equation, then we get our right hand side as 0. Then we can say that it must be satisfy the given equation. If we put x is equal to, suppose that, let's see an example. Suppose that if we write 2x plus y is equal to 0, this is a linear equation. Or you take we get this is a linear equation. If we put, suppose that if we put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, then what I get? Let's see. If we put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in this equation, then we get 2 into 1 plus 1 minus 3. So we get what? In left hand side. So 2 plus 1 minus 3, that is 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. That is RHS. So it means that 1 and 1 means the pair of values of x and y at, that is 1 1. What? 1 1 is what? 1 1 is the solution of the given linear equation. So dear students, this is the concept of the solution of linear equation. So dear students, in this way, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Now we take and solve one small question based on them. Then after that you complete your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Let's see. We take a small question and solve it. The question is, find the value of k. Find the value of k if x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation, is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Let's see its solution. Dear student, in that type of question, first of all you write the given equation. The given equation was, what is the given equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to k. 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Now what we put? We put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in left hand side. Now means what? Hence x is equal to 1 and 1 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the given equation, na? So it must be satisfy the given equation. Since x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the given equation, that is, it must be satisfy, means 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. So in this way the value of k is 2 plus 3, as the k is what? 5. So the value of k is 5. Okay. So dear students, in this way today we discuss about the linear equation in two variables, and we take and solve some so many topic and most important topic of that chapter. Now first you complete that topic and solve your NCERT exercise. Then in next class we discuss about some questions based on these topics. Okay, thank you.